I just don't want to explain all this right now. I'm so exhausted. So we just loaded up the cars and about to hit the road, but we're behind schedule, so everyone knows how much I hate that. But I'm ready to go. I am so exhausted. We have been moving stuff all day and like made like an hour-and-a-half Walmart run, came, set stuff up, realized we forgot some stuff, had to go back. We went to Dollar General. Still not done. Still not great, but it's not bad. It's pretty good, and I had a lot of help, so I don't know. It's all right. I look a mess, and all I want to do is take a bath, but still got to get the kitchen together. But yeah, so let me show you around. So when you walk in, this is like kind of your view. I have the lights off right now because it's super yellow. But each room in this apartment unit has like a lock, and so you turn this way. Here's a little overview. So little nightstand, my hookah stuff is under there, and then here's my bed. So I went with yellow and blue because of this. So this Johnny Cash record cover, vinyl cover, was my Grandpa Jim's, and then I found these 4 records at like a little marketplace in my hometown, and I had to snag them up. There's like a super cute story behind it, but we'll save that for another day. So went with the blue and yellow to go with that stuff. There's drawers under here, so I have like winter clothes in that one, empty, and then this is literally all just t-shirts. Extra blankets down here for when people come over. And so little desk area situation. My filing cabinet is here because I just don't have a better place for it. All my office supplies are in here because I just haven't gotten enough storage for all of this stuff yet. So I just don't want to explain all this right now. I'm so exhausted. These are all like my old textbooks and notebooks, and you know, Mississippi criminal law, English Spanish dictionary, law dictionary, Bible devotional. This is extra nail polish, but it blends in, so whatever. And then a painting that me and my sister painted. Like we each painted a painting based off of like a concept picture, and so that one's mine. And then old picture of me and my sister, my grandpa, a holy water, and just like a little quote: "With God all things are possible," Matthew 19:26. And then next to that is my mini fridge, and then jewelry and perfumes and stuff. This is kind of like just a catch-all. Like I threw my keys here. This is, I went to Mug Shots for lunch, whatever. But yeah, in here I just have like cut up watermelon and some waters. I mean, there's like a full kitchen here, obviously. I mean, it's an apartment. There's a full kitchen, living room, everything. But I'm just gonna keep like cut up fruits and snacks in here, like drinks when guests come over and stuff. And then the closet. So these are just a couple extra bags that I haven't like finished going through. So like some lights for my bathroom, my tripod, and then like there's cocktail napkins in here, vitamins, and 𝒞𝕒𝕟, like hair ties, and just haven't finished. And then me. And here's the closet. I have the biggest closet in the apartment, and still a nice sized bathroom, so very thankful for that. My hats, I haven't figured out like how to display them yet. Stuff that's just not hung yet. Shorts, I just don't have any shorts hangers, so like here's the rest of my shorts. And I just, you know, just haven't. I forgot shorts hangers at home, okay? I took them all off the hangers and forgot to put the hangers in the bag. A mess. And then my little cube dresser. So this is workout clothes, and it's like literally like can barely open it. It's so full. Bras and underwear, again, like so full. So I can't pull it out. So I need more. Pajama shorts and bottoms, pajama shirts. And then this is like stationery. This is like important documents like birth certificate, social security card, passport, all that stuff. And then hamper, darks and whites. Shoes, I have not unboxed a single pair of shoes. My beach bag, pool bag, and this is like extra beauty supplies that don't fit underneath my bathroom shelves, but I don't need like a huge, like I don't reach for them a ton. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's a little overview of my closet. I feel like I'm talking so fast. Anyways, and then here's my bathroom. Yeah, I don't have any bath mats yet. I could not find any like green that I liked. So I just said like screw it, and I just don't have any yet. This mirror is huge, by the way, like stretches all the way across the bathroom. Like whose mirror stretches over their toilet? I don't like why. So makeup in the top 3, and then like bathroom stuff, like my whitening gel and like my travel toothbrush. And this is my like all this stuff like I just haven't unpacked from traveling so much, but that, you know, all that stuff goes in here too. So look at this cute little soap. It's a little cactus. I haven't taken it out of the package yet. Under here there's like pretty good storage, but I'm just really upset that these drawers don't, like, they're fake drawers. I don't know, like all my, here's all my stuff, like nail polish and lotions and face masks, and back here there's like tons of extra beauty products and face masks and stuff that companies have sent me and I just like haven't used or finished yet. And then this is the bin that I most reach for, so like my everyday face lotion and everyday hair products and stuff. And then in the back is like cleaning supplies, Clorox wipes and Comet and 409 and sponges and all that kind of stuff. And then tons of washcloths. And that's probably more, you know, information than y'all cared. And then the cutest little trash can ever. It's wicker. I love it. And then the star of the show herself, here she is. I love it. I just have white towels because, again, I couldn't find like the shade of green I wanted. This candle, the best thing ever. It smells so good. Sorry, my nails are ugly. Only problem with this bathroom is that there's like no shelving. Like even the sides of the tub, there's like, it doesn't stick out. There's no like, and this isn't like wide enough for a shampoo or anything. So that's like it. That's all I can fit up there, which is why I need so much like still underneath the shelves. But I need to get like an overhead shower caddy thing, but it's fine. It's fine. It's whatever. So it's really cute. I like it. It's pretty cute. Pretty nice overall. The lights are pretty bright. I like it.